Hey guys, today I'm going on a hike, and you know how much I love hiking. One of my favorite things. This is a really cool trail. It costs $5 a person to come in, and that just helps maintain the trails. And the payoff, the only reason I would do something like this is because there's some really cool waterfalls up in there. And so far we've been hiking through some little farms. We passed some strawberries and just a lot of little meadows and stuff. But now we're going to take a sharp left and head into the rainforest. Lives by my house. He's just kind of a street dog. So this morning I threw him in the car and brought him up here. And he only puked one time. But once we got into the rainforest, the temperature cooled off. I felt a whole lot better. And this little street dog comes from the mean streets of David. Did awesome out here in the jungle. He climbed over rocks. We only had to help him in a few places, but he did a great job.